So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Aster, ticker symbol ASTER, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the search bar at the top and press on Search, and then type in ASTER. So it may or may not appear for you guys, and if it doesn't appear, that's because it's not available in your region. So to go ahead and find it instead, press on X right here to cancel out of this, go back to the home screen, go to most popular, scroll down, and then press on See More. On this page, you can just scroll down a little bit until you come across ticker symbol ASTER, which is right here. I'll go ahead and press it. Now, because I'm in Canada, it's not available in my region, so you're not able to actually purchase it here. But if you're in another region and you can go ahead and buy it, just go to the bottom right, press on the purple buy button, and then proceed with the steps that way. So that is how to buy Aster, ticker symbol ASTER, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.